Je donne maintenant la parole à Mme Knupert, conseillère technique et déléguée suppléante de travailleurs de Danemark. Et j'invite également l'orateur suivant, Madame. Je vous prie.
Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time that the provision of labour law shall apply equally to all workers, including the public sector and the informal economy. Tripartite social dialogue is at the heart of the ILO, and I call on all governments to ensure national tripartite committees to address problems regarding labour law enforcement and inspection, remembering that effective tripartite cooperation requires freedom of association. Mr. President, my government are about to ratify the MLC 2006, which we support, despite the national unsolved problems regarding Convention 87 and 98 and the Danish International Ships Register. We therefore look forward to the report from our government to the Committee of Experts later this year on this matter. Mr. President, the ILO must continue its important efforts to obtain better working conditions and social justice for the millions of workers around the world. Thank you.
Je vous remercie, Madame. Je donne maintenant la parole à Madame Iska.